Terri B. Jones, coming to you live on today, sharing with you on my YouTube channel every Thursday marketing strategies for you to use to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue. If you are a blogger, a podcaster, a content creator, this is the place to be, because I will be sharing with you the marketing strategies that are used by 6 and 7 figure earnings so that you can grow your brand, your reach, and your revenue, and get in front of those who already need your product or service. And I'll be doing that by sharing Facebook marketing strategies, YouTube strategies, Google My Business strategies, email marketing strategies, and the greatest of them all is voice integration in front of the 100 million Amazon Alexa listeners. Echo devices are in their homes and they're waiting to hear from you. And so go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, okay? And I look forward to sharing with you a video clip of a new marketing tip every Thursday.